Hey guys, I'm back again, and in this video we'll be talking about setting up project and style guide creation inside Swipe Pages. For this video, dalawa lang yung goal natin. Number one, it's for you guys to learn how to set up project in Swipe Pages. And second, it's for you guys to learn how to create a style guide in Swipe Pages. Now, we know na gumawa na tayo ng style guide in the past inside Adobe XD. If you are using Adobe XD, dito din sa Swipe Pages, gagawa din tayo ng style guide. And etong feature na to is one of the things that I like about Swipe Pages, kasi yung ibang landing page builders like ClickFunnels, like Unbounce, Lead Pages, wala silang ganito na pwede kang mag-create ng style guide. And we already know kung ano yung silbi ng style guide. And it's for us to create landing page designs as soon as possible or faster, para ma-deliver natin sa client immediately, para mabayaran tayo, and para ma-feel nila na ang galing-galing natin. So for this video, dalawa lang yung resources na kailangan natin. Number one, yung Swipe Pages. And second, yung style guide, it's already been provided by us. Kailangan nyo lang yung document tingnan. So, yun lang. Let's go ahead and punta na tayo sa dashboard ng Swipe Pages. Right. Okay guys, so we are already inside Swipe Pages. Now, before we start, gusto ko lang magbigay ng heads up sa inyo. In this challenge pala guys, I know we are already on Swipe Pages or inside Swipe Pages, and baka mag-expect kayo na I'll be doing an in-depth walkthrough sa Swipe Pages. Sadly, hindi ko yun gagawin kasi yung focus ko dito is for you guys to know the specific features, the specific tools na kailangan nyo para kailangan nyo, and at the same time yung magagamit nyo kaagad when doing client work. Kumbaga, yung mga needed lang. So, yung other parts, I might be creating other videos, yung in-depth na talaga. But for this specific challenge, yung needs lang. Yung kailangan lang talaga for client work. So, yun, let's start. First is we are going to create a new page. So, yun. By the way guys, ignore nyo lang kanina yung mga landing pages. Those are just practices and stuff like that. So dito guys, yung gagawin natin is yung ginagawa namin sa pag-name namin is ganito. Brand name dash type of landing page dash conversion goal. Yan yung format namin. Okay? So, yung gagawin natin, if titingnan nyo, yung logo nito is a coach daw. So, coach dash opt-in page kasi humihingi tayo ng email address, and opt-in is usually used for lead generation. So, yun. The reason for that is para kung ipasa namin sa designer or other conversion designer or maybe a marketer, alam nila kung kaninong page yan, alam nila kung anong type of page yan, and alam nila kung ano yung conversion goal dyan. Kung baga, sa name pa lang meron ng story. Alam na nila kung ano yung hahanapin. So, it's a form of communication then for marketers or for conversion designers. So, yun lang guys. Now, next is, you'll also be asked by Swipe Pages to choose between types of build out. Yung number one is standard pages and the second is AMP pages. So, ano yung meaning ng AMP? Yung meaning niyan is accelerated mobile pages. So, usually, yung AMP, ginagamit yan if yung traffic nyo is from mobile mostly. And if yung bounce rate nyo, when we say bounce rate, is that when people go to your landing page and then immediately leaves, yan yung bounce rate. Pag mataas yung bounce rate, ginagamit yung AMP pages. And ginagamit din siya if yung client nyo is malalaki talaga yung budget nila sa paid advertising or heavy talaga sa paid advertising. Now, ano yung reason bakit ganun? Kasi for maximum conversion yun. kailangan nila ng fast load speed. And si Swipe Pages, meron silang feature na pwede kang makakreate ng ganong page. But for this challenge, yung gagamitin lang natin is standard pages. Kasi currently si Swipe Pages, yung AMP nila medyo may bugs pa ng konti dahil sa browser compatibility, pero overall okay siya. Maybe in the future it would be good, pero for now let's stick with the standard pages. Kasi mabilis din naman considering din dahil sa cloud server ni Swipe Pages. So yun. Okay. Na yung gagawin natin, hindi tayo pipili ng template. Yung gagawin natin is we will start with a blank page. Okay? So, yun. Okay. So, guys, yung gagawin natin is we want to open this document pala ulit. We want to use this document again. Okay? So, yung gagawin natin, guys, is we will create style guide inside Swipe Pages para mamaya when we build this wireframe or when we translate this wireframe into becoming a functional landing page, hindi na tayo mahihirapan na mag-configure isa-isa. Like, in just one click, andun na. So, yun. Paano natin gagawin yun? Yung gagawin lang is, you click here sa settings, etong gear button, right? Unahin natin yung colors. Alright? By the way, guys, yung sad thing about dito is that these naming ng colors, hindi ito change. Yan yung bad part. I've already talked with the founders of Swipe Pages. Hopefully, they could address this. The reason why it's important for me is, yun nga, for communication sa ibang designer para alam nila kung ano yung gagamiting kulay, mga ganun. Kasi sometimes, may specific naming yung iba't ibang team. And yung colors is important din for naming conventions para nga sa internal collaboration. So, yun. But, we'll settle for now. Okay. Anong gagawin ko? Okay. Alright. Let's copy this one. Then, we click here. We click here. Then, we go here. Eto. Then, papalitan lang natin yung hex value. Then, maging automatic siya na magiging yellow. There you go. Diyan na yung yellow. Next, yung purple. Ito na lang. Next is ito. Okay. Mabilisan lang tayo, guys. So, hex value. After nito, guys, what we're gonna do, tara. Hindi to white eh. Sa black na lang. Ironic. Gray yung kulay, pero black yung text. Diba? Awkward. Anyways. So, white dito. Okay. By the way, guys, baka mag-ask kayo ngayon na, ba't mo change role? Naka-white na kanina. Masakit sa mata to for elderly people pag magbabasa ng page mo. Kaya hindi tayo gumagamit ng pure white. You could also check yung font ni Facebook sa dark theme nila sa desktop. And for sure, gumagamit sila ng hindi white. Like, it could be etong color na to. Most of the time, most landing pages that I've seen, gumagamit ng hex value na EB for the white color na text. So, yun. Ang secondary, eto na lang yung gray. Alright. Okay, so we're done with the colors. Mamaya na natin to iti-test kung paano ba, kung nagwo-work ba or hindi. So, unahin natin yung text. Typography tayo dito. Now, yung kagandahan sa Swipe Pages, guys, is that they also cater for you to be able to customize other sizes ng device. Sa ibang landing page kasi like Unbounce, yung support lang nila is desktop and then mobile. Pero you also have to consider as conversion designers, we also have to consider na yung rise of tablets, like yung mga business people, kasi gusto na nilang portable na mamamanage yung business nila. Instead of bringing laptop, yung ginagamit na nila is mga tablets. So, if yung client mo, yung landing page na ginagawa niya is for business people, targeted sa mga entrepreneurs, or B2B, business to business, yung gagawin mo is magde-design ka din sa tablet. Pero sa case natin ngayon, we will just pretend na for consumer lang to. So yung i-design lang natin is yung desktop and then mobile. Okay? So yun. I hope that was clear. Anyways, so font family, punta tayo dito sa Google, Nonito font, Nonito sans. Okay? Tapos I'm sure na extra bold 'yon. Sa desktop daw, naka 48 pixels tayo. 48 pixels and then yung line height niya is 1.2. Okay. So yun. That is for the desktop. Now, sa mobile, para automatically si Swipe Pages yung mag-a-adjust ng font size, i-click-click lang natin to. And then here, we will configure this one. So 40 daw. 40 yung size. Ba't ganito yung kulay? Awkward. Change na lang natin to. Ayun, na-change na. Anyways, yun. Now, let's proceed to heading 2. Nonito sans. Okay. Then, 36. Tama. 36. Then, 1.2. And then, change this color na lang. For some reason, bakit naging ganun? I'm not sure entirely. Then, punta tayo sa mobile. I saw 32 a while ago. Then, we're done with the heading 2. Sa heading 3 na tayo. Hanggang heading 3 lang. Di tayo aabot sa heading 6. So, 24 daw. 24. Come here. See, if wala tayong style guide, guys, and then, madami tayong i-edit na headlines. Like, sabihin natin, long form yan. Tingnan nyo yung process, pabalik-balik, nakaka-stress. Diba? Tapos, kailangan pang i-consider na meron din, mobile. So, paulit-ulit kang magko-configure. But, dahil nga mayroong style guide si Swipe Pages, we would have to do it just once and then okay na. So, yun, punta tayo sa body or the paragraph. Again, punta tayo dito sa Nonito sans. Okay, normal. And then 18 yun siya. I believe it was 1.6 dapat. Naka-configure yung natin eh. What do you call this? Adobe XD na 1.6 yung line height. Then sa mobile, we will change the font size to 16. So, there you go guys. Meron na tayong style guide. Now, it's time for us to test kung gumagana na yung style guide. Okay? So, yung gagawin natin guys is very, very simple. We go here sa module. Add muna tayo ng section. Okay? So, hindi ko lang muna i-explain yung mga section, columns, and stuff like that. I-explain ko siya once we start building this wireframe into a functional landing page. Okay? Basta for this video, we will just focus on creating the style guide. So, i-change natin yung background just to test. Paano natin i-change? We will go here and then check natin yung swatches. Tama ba? Tingnan natin if mag-reflect. Okay, yun. Nagre-reflect. Alright. Okay. Okay. So, basically, nagwo-work yung color natin. Hindi na tayo magsa-set up. Now, we can go here. Paano? Try lang natin to. Okay. And, punta tayo sa heading 1. Alright. Copyin na lang natin to. Try na lang natin. Okay. So, kunyari, ganyan to. Change lang natin yung color. By the way guys, huwag kayong ma-pressure. We are just testing kung tama ba ang lahat ng ginagawa natin. Kasi itetest natin kung tama ba yung configuration natin. Medyo may coding yon pero yun nga, I'll just show you kung ano yung mangyayari talaga nung naset natin kanina yung styles. Change na lang natin to dito sa white. See, ilang button lang. So save muna natin and then we will preview. Okay. So yun. By the way guys, if you don't have any knowledge about web development, you don't have to do this kasi gumagana naman talaga sa swipe pages. It's just that gusto ko lang i-show sa inyo. So yun, inspect element natin. Tanggalin muna natin. This one. Punta tayo dito. Yung H1 niya. If titingnan nyo, yung font family, nakaset na sa to Nunito Sans. And then yung font weight niya, naka extra bold din, just like yung kinonfigure natin. And then yung text din niya is naka 48. Now, itetest din natin yung paragraph kung Nunito Sans normal ba. So, tingnan natin. Paano ba? Asan na you? Alright. Okay. Ba't ayaw niyang magpakita? Okay. Naka-ano siya? Naka-Nunito Sans na din. Although, in override, I'm not sure what happened. But, let's see. Okay. Anyways, so yun guys, as you can see, naka-Nunito Sans na din. Okay. Nagets ko na. Baka ganyan. Dahil sa ano? Dahil sa size. So, yun guys, as you can see, naka-Nunito Sans na din yung font family and then yung font size, naka 18 pixels, just like what we did here, pag desktop, naka 18 pixels siya. And then, yung line height niya is 1.6, just like what we did sa Adobe XD, and naka-normal din siya dahil 400 yung font weight. So, that's how you create a style guide inside swipe pages. So yun, I hope you learned something guys. So yun guys, that's it for this video. Now for your assignment, dalawa lang. Number one, I want you to create a style guide inside swipe pages. So babasehan nyo yung paano ko ginawa yung style guide for the landing page na gagawin natin inside swipe pages. So ifa-follow nyo lang. The second is I want you guys to comment the one valuable takeaway you got from this video. Okay? I'll be reading all the comments. So, yun guys, thank you so much. I hope you learned something and see you in the next video.